Hi everyone, this is Easy Commerce. Today, I'm going to show you how to set general setting of your Easy Commerce store. When you receive login credentials of your Easy Commerce store, the first thing you have to do is to configure general settings according to your preference to control how your store displays to visitors. Let's start off with general settings. Log in to your Easy Commerce store panel. Navigate to the settings. You will learn how to set up business info and stock settings from this video. We will focus on business info first. So now click on business info. You will see the store detail. Logo allows people to identify your Easy Commerce store, and it displays on top of every page. Click Browse button to upload your logo. Enter a store name that makes your customers to remember you. It display at the footer with a copyright. Page title and meta descriptions are used for SEO purpose. Do you know what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It ranks your store based on the value of your content and relevance to users. Let me show you how it works. When consumers are looking for something, they will search for search engines such as the Google. For example, I am a consumer and looking for baby product. You will see www.carryjr.com.my is listed first in the search result. Usually consumer will click the results on the first page. Many merchants would try to rank higher so that they can earn higher click-through rate. The content in the page title will display as the main title in the search result. Meta description will display at the link below. What are the keywords user would search for your Easy Commerce store and insert them in page title and meta descriptions. Bear in mind that it takes a lot of consideration in order to rank higher, such as the traffic of your store, how competitive of the keywords, and etc. Now let's move on to contact and information. The information you enter here is about the Contact Us page, which allows your customers to reach to you. You can insert the owner the same as store name. Email address will be the receiver of getting customer inquiry from, as well as all the notifications, such as new order, customer registration, and etc. Enter your contact number and the address of your store locations. If you do not have a physical store, just insert the city you ship parcel from. Enable the Contain Us if you want to display additional information, such as operating hours and Google Maps of your store locations. The rest of the setting I will suggest you to keep as default and click Save. You can find on the Contact Us panel on the footer menu. And this is how it looks like. Let's move on to the store setting. Click the settings and go to store settings. I will cover the important settings, which have the big impact. The rest of the setting you may remain as default. As long as your Easy Commerce store has been set up by us, it's live now. If we are not ready to publish your store or accept any orders yet, enable maintenance mode. Your Easy Commerce store will be unavailable to all the visitors, except for you who have logged in to Easy Commerce admin panel. You are able to see the actual store. Let's scroll down to the product section. Default items per page catalog is 2. Control the number of items to display per page on store. You may leave it with 15 items per page or increase little bit, because the more products you displayed, it will slow down loading speed, and also more bandwidth be consumed. Suggest you to remain autocomplete products such enable. Scroll down to the checkout section. Invoice number is generated automatically when the order is paid. Invoice prefix is the prefix defined before the invoice number. You may define it with a year or your company name. If you use year, remember to change it every year. Inversion running double size is the number of digits you run after invoice B prefix. If you set 5, there will be 5 running number digits. and the new invoice number starts with INV 2019-000001. Guest checkout allows your customers to place an order like a guest, without registration on your EasyCommerce store. It speeds up the checkout process, but the customer profile is not stored in the database. If you want to record every single customer profile, disable it. I suggest you to remain pop-up cart display and simplified checkout status enabled. Display stock is to show the store quantity on your EasyCommerce store. Remain it disabled if you do not want your customers to know the available stock you have. After you configure the settings, click Save to apply the changes. Thanks for watching this. I hope you have set up general settings in EasyCommerce store. If you have any questions, you can find the answer at EasyCommerce website show, or you can contact at this email. Bye and see you.